of the function 5x plus 8 as x approaches 1 using table of values. Here we can see the table of values from the left and the right of 1. So here is listed are the values of x and the answers if we are going to substitute it to the given function. So if we're going to substitute 0 to the function, the answer will be for 0.5 it will be 10.5, 0.8 will be 12, 0.99 will be 12.95, and 0.999 will be 12.900. From the right, the value of x is 2 and it will be 18. 1.5 will be 15.5. 1.1 will be 13.5. 1.001 will be 13.005. And 1.0001 will be 13.0005. To conclude, the answer will be the limit of function 5x plus 8 as x approach 1 will be is equal to 13. And for number 3, estimate limit of function x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 as x is approaching negative using table of values. Looking at the given function, the numerator, we could write it as x plus 1, quantity x plus 1 and quantity x plus 2. We are factoring it. And we could cancel x plus 1 from the numerator and the denominator. That will leave us x plus 2. And the x plus 2 will be the function that we're using. Here is the table of values. And the same as number 1, listed is the value of x and the answer if we're going to substitute it using the function. So for negative 2, it will be 0. Negative 1.5 will be 0.5. Negative 1.1 will be 0.9. And negative 1.001 will be 0.999. For the right, the value of x is 0 and the answer will be 2. Negative 0.5 will be 1.5. Negative 0.9 will be 1.1 and negative 0.999, the answer will be 1.6. And the conclusion for this is the answer will be limit of function x squared plus 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 as x approaches negative 1 is equal to 1. And that's